on day one, we have a campaign announcement. You start by sending an email and publishing a social post with the same messaging on day one. And then on day two, you follow up with a text. Midway through your campaign, as shown here on day 8, you could send a reminder email or even just use our resend to non-opener tool that will only send your email to those who didn't open it up the first time. You again create a social post or story, and then the next day on day 9, you follow up with another SMS message. And then on the right, as your campaign comes to a close, you want to drive urgency, right? So you can send one last email and use language like last chance or deal ends tomorrow or spots are filling up quickly. You can use that same language to create a social post or story, and then again on the final day, end it with a text message.